Hi, I'm Joanne Danckwardt from One Agency JD Property Agents, and I'm in the busiest place ever during this whole coronavirus thing. So where am I? Bunnings. So as you can see behind me, I'm actually at the Warrawong, and I cannot believe how busy it is. There are cars everywhere, there are people everywhere, and it's just amazing. Now, I think it's because everybody's taking the opportunity while they're at home to get some things done around the house, because everybody is super frustrated with being inside and they don't want to see it as it is, so they're trying to improve it. But my I say challenge to you is to send me a video of what you're actually looking at doing, because it might not be what is going to be the best thing that you could do to add value to the home. So I'm here to help you. I'd love to see what you're thinking of doing. Maybe you can add some value to what your thoughts are. So give me a ring, send across the video. You can either email it to joannedanckwardt at oneagency.com.au, or you can just send it to my mobile 0426 264 771, and I'm going to go off and I'm going to buy some timers for my garden so I can keep the garden nice and green with watering. I wonder what the fire truck was doing here. Do you reckon he was picking up some paint? Probably. Okay, I'll see you soon. Look forward to seeing your videos and seeing how I can add value to you. Bye for now.